Hi friends, how are you today? Drop a comment below and let me know. How is your budgeting journey going, if you're on one? If you're a returning friend, thanks for supporting my channel. If you're new, my name is Katie, thanks for stopping by. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you know when a new video is up. Okay, let's get started. First things first, we're gonna count our money. And we will be stuffing $526 today. So here we go. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 400, 20, 40. Put over here. This. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yep, $526 we'll be stuffing today. So the first binder we're gonna start with is the weekly binder. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna start with groceries, and I'm only going to be putting 50 in here this week because we have a lot of stuff in the pantry and in the freezer, and so we're kind of do like a pantry challenge this week. So I'm going to be putting 50 in there. So 20, 40, 50. Next up is household, and household is going to be getting $20. Next up is gas, and we have a little bit of money left over from last week. Let's see what we have. We have $6 left over, so I'm gonna put this to the side. And gas is going to be getting $20 because we just put 20 in the gas tank today. Okay, and then we have pets. Pets is going to be getting $20. Next up is Benjamin. Benjamin has, let's see how much is in here from leftover. 5, 10, and Benjamin is going to be getting another $20. So Benjamin has $20, $25, $30. Next is eating out. Eating out is going to be getting nothing. Miscellaneous, I'm going to give miscellaneous $5. Coins, let's empty out our coins into our coin jar. Put this over here. So we didn't have too much left over this week. We pretty much spent it all. And that's okay, that's what the envelope system is for, to keep you on track. Okay, we'll put that one back. The next one we're going to be stuffing is the sinking funds. Okay, so we're gonna start with car maintenance, and we haven't got the tires yet. So let's see. We're gonna be adding $20 to maintenance. So let's see what we have. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, so 320. And then we'll probably get the tires this week then. Okay. So next up is water, and water is going to be getting $40. Okay, next up is trash, and trash is going to be getting $30. 20. Next up is oil, and oil is going to be getting $160. We're gonna need oil soon, so it's gonna be a big envelope today. So let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60. So 160 in oil today. And guys, I just want to remind you that we're not 1 month ahead. I can't wait until that happens. But as of right now, like the mortgage and electric and that, I don't stuff that because we're not 1 month ahead. So when we get 1 month ahead, I can stuff those. But as of right now, we pay those with our card. So that money stays in the bank. I just wanted to let you know that that's why there's no mortgage, rent, you know, envelopes like that, electric and things like that. Okay, moving on. Birthdays. Birthdays is going to be getting $10. These zippers keep on getting me. And football is going to be getting $5. And vacation's getting nothing. Okay, we're done with that binder. And we're going to be moving on to the savings challenges. So the first savings challenge we have is the emergency. And the emergency is going to be getting $100 today. So let's pull this all out. So we have savings challenges we made. So 20, 40, 50, and we're going to be putting $100 in there today. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 90, 95, 100. So we have 150 in emergency fund now. And I'm going to mark off 2 more $50 honeycombs. Okay, so we have 150 in the emergency fund. We need to get to 1,000. Next is Christmas, and Christmas currently has $5, $10, $15, $20, and I'm going to be adding another $20. So 10, 15, 20. Okay. So Christmas now has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40. Christmas has $40, and I'm going to be coloring in another present. Okay. And that's that with that binder. Okay. And next, we're going to be, let's see, we have $6 left over. So I want to start a $5 challenge also. But for right now, I think I'm just going to $5, I'll add that to my sons. Until I have a $5 challenge. That was gas money that was left over from last week. And then I have $1 left over from last week. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. So 7 ones is going to be going into the $1 challenge. And then, there we go. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe so you know when a new video comes out. And I will see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye.